Today I have successfully completed this course of Module 9 Pedagogy of Mathematics and observe module overview. Upon completion of module, you will be able to these type of objects. Now, content outline. The module begins with a brief introduction to mathematics education, about nature of mathematics and general objectives of learning mathematics at school level, discuss about curriculum expectations and learning outcomes of mathematics at primary level, presentation of transactional strategies and assessment at primary level, discuss about curricular expectations and learning outcomes of mathematics at primary level, presentation of transactional strategies and assessment at upper primary level. Portfolio activity on Module 9 Pedagogy of Mathematics. First, let's know what is the pedagogy of mathematics. An overview on pedagogy of mathematics. Mathematics finds an important place in school education. At primary level stage, it is a compulsory subject. However, many people opine that it creates fear, phobia, and stress on children. This module emphasizes upon developing competencies and skills in mathematics at the primary and upper primary stage children through learner-friendly pedagogy that integrates assessment and also engage all children with different abilities in a stress-free classroom environment. Mathematics has helped us quantify ideas, to be precise and to utilize special concepts in our day-to-day living. It is used throughout the world as an essential tool in many fields, including natural sciences, engineering, medicine, and social science. Mathematics develops logical reasoning, abstract thinking, and imagination. Thus, it has occupied an important place in the school curriculum and is a compulsory subject up to class 10th. This is the portfolio activity topic in our module, that is, plan an activity for introducing any one of the following concepts and prepare a rubrics for self-assessment for children. Topics are multiplication of integers, division of fractions, area of rectangle, and write any 3 recommendations of NCF 2005 related with mathematics education. Write any 3 vision statements for school mathematics as per NCF 2005. I select mathematics class 5th unit 6 geometry. Subtopic is area of rectangle. This is one of our portfolio activity, this topic. Learning outcomes of area of rectangle. Pupils will be able to know area is a measurement of how much surface is covered. Know the area of rectangle can be found by multiplying the lengths of the sides. Recognize the dimensions of a rectangle. Respect the number of rows and columns of unit squares and multiply to find the area. Learn area formula of rectangle. Activities. Activity 1. Ask the students to estimate How many math textbooks are needed to cover the surface of the table in the classroom? After collecting the responses, ask the children to cover the table with math textbooks in such a way that there is no gap among the books and overlapping. Fill in the blanks. Next, activity 2. Use 12 squares to make as many types of rectangles as you can on the square sheet. Do all types of rectangles occupy same area? One is done for you. Activity 3. Find the area of the following figures. What do you observe from the above? Area of a rectangle is product of its length and breadth. What is the formula of area of a rectangle? Finally, area of a rectangle is length multiplies breadth, and also breadth multiplies length. Assessment rubrics. Formal assessment is a way of finding out what the students have learnt. Equally important is that this is also a way for the teachers to understand the efficacy of their own teaching methods. Teachers should record, understand, and interpret the observation made during assessment. Assessment like this. Try to draw rectangles based on the given measurements. 5 centimeters into 4 centimeters is equal 20 square centimeters. Like this, we give so many measurements. Conclusion. This lesson builds on learners' prior work, finding the area, counting individual squares, and using repeated addition to find the area of a rectangle. Formula. Rectangle area is equal length into breadth. Observe the diagrams. What is the area of rectangle? Are there so many examples of area of rectangle? Now you will find the area of these shapes and made a rectangle shape robots.